Hi everyone, it's Hannah from ColDesi with your next ColDesi Daily video. So today I want to teach you all the best practices on how to upload a video to YouTube. Uploading a video to YouTube can be great for your business. It gives you a way to be found online. And so we're going to go through that step by step. So right now we're on your YouTube home screen. You're logged into your account at this point. You're going to click on your icon to the right, and you're going to go to your YouTube studio. So this is kind of the behind the scenes part of YouTube that you probably don't usually see if you're just browsing. So back here is really your account maintenance. You have analytics, you have your dashboard, you have your videos, but under videos is where all your recent uploads are going to be posted. So we're going to go right here on the top right to create. We are going to upload a video. And so you have the option now to drag and drop a file or select it. So we're going to go ahead and just select. And we are going to upload a video that we did in our last ColDesi Daily video when we made a graphic on Canva together. So while your video is processing on YouTube, this might take a little bit of time. You can go ahead and fill out all of this information here. So the first step is the title. You want to give your video a title that tells the viewer what it is, but you also want to think about keywords. What are things people are going to be searching for? So in this video, we were making a graphic on Canva. So, how to make a business graphic on Canva. And since this is a part of our ColDesi Daily content, we're going to title this ColDesi Daily. So nice title, it's a part of ColDesi Daily, and then what the video is about, how to make a graphic on Canva. So here we have a description. We have auto-populated in our description to put this in here, but we can go ahead and delete it. So we want to tell the viewers here what the video is about. This is where you can link back to different things. If you want to link back to your website, link to where you bought your products, it's a good place to do it as well. But this is another place where you really want to add in those keywords that people are going to be searching for on the internet. This is how they're going to find your videos, and this is how they're going to find your business so they can buy from you. So we're going to just fill out a little description here. I'm not going to go into too much detail now because this can take a little while. It's really about you being creative. Okay guys, so I went ahead and wrote a little description here. I made sure to put in some of those keywords I talked about. So I used ColDesi because people will often search for us on the internet and on YouTube. I typed in Canva. So anyone that's looking for Canva help, they're Googling or YouTubing Canva, this video could appear. I put graphic, I put your business, upcoming sales, social media, just some words that people might be searching for that would want to see this video. So the next part is your thumbnail. We're going to come back to this in a minute once our video completes its rendering process so we can select a thumbnail from the video. Then we have playlist. So one really important thing about your YouTube channel is organizing your videos into playlists. It really helps viewers discover your content faster, and it helps them find what they're looking for. So for this particular video, since we had said earlier, it's on our new ColDesi Daily, we are going to actually make a new playlist. We haven't created the ColDesi Daily playlist yet. So the title is going to be ColDesi Daily. And we're going to make sure that this playlist is public. Create. So it created that playlist, but now we're going to check mark it. All right. So now it's going to be added to the ColDesi Daily playlist. So the next part of this is your audience. And this part is really important right now. You're going to want to go ahead and say, no, your video is not made for kids. You're only going to check that your video is made for kids if you actually made this video hoping that kids will see it. So it's aimed toward your audience being children. As business owners, mostly selling custom apparel, your audience really isn't kids. They're not going to buy your shirts. It's basically their parents. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press no, it's not made for kids. And let's go ahead and go into these more options here. So the next area is tags. This is very important in your video being found. This is useful if people are trying to find your video and they don't know the full name of your video. So they don't know that this video, for instance, is called ColDesi Daily, How to Make a Business Graphic on Canva. If they type in some of that, or they type in some of these keywords or tags, it's gonna help them find this video. So for this, we're gonna have Canva as a tag. We're gonna have graphic as a tag. We'll do small business graphics. These are just some things people would type in. How to make a graphic. We're going to put ColDesi Daily in here as well. And this will be good for now, but you can go ahead and beef this up however you'd like. Next is closed captions. So YouTube is going to go ahead and generate some captions for you, but there are also some other services out there. If you want to create your own graphics, you can upload them. But for this, we're just going to let YouTube create them. We're going to skip recording date and location. Skip that. Category style. This can help viewers find your videos. We're going to do a how-to style. And then comments and ratings. We are going to enable all comments because it allows us to engage with our audience. And I recommend doing that as well. So now we're going to go to the next screen here, which is your video elements. This is where you can upload an end screen and you can add cards. So we're going to do an end screen first. Now this is where you can promote related content at the end of your video. YouTube has made it really easy for you to do this. They already have little templates here. So we're going to go ahead. Let's do one playlist and one describe. So as you can see here at the end of the video, it's going to prompt our viewers to subscribe in this little circle. And then over here, it's going to have a playlist of our choosing. So we're going to choose a playlist. So in this video, we spoke a lot about business and how to get your business started. So I think the next thing I'm going to recommend here is the Custom Apparel Startups podcast. I'm going to shorten these a little bit so they're only playing at the very end of my video, as you can see on this bottom bar here. All right, so now we can watch a little preview of it.
And I look forward to seeing what Canva graphics.
So as you can see at the end of our video, it's going to pop up with a subscribe option and a Custom Apparel Startups podcast playlist option for them. So we're just going to press save here. And that's saved to our video. And now we're going to add a card. So this is a little different than the end screen. This is promoting related content during the video. So in this video, we're uploading how to make a business graphic on Canva. We mentioned a previous project. It was Bayview Lawns. I mentioned it about midway through the video when I'm uploading a photo of Bayview Lawns to use in my graphic. So I'm going to go to that area in the video. So I'm going to press add card. We're going to add a video or a playlist here. And then I'm going to enter the YouTube URL for that video. Create card. All right. So right here in this video that I'm uploading on YouTube, when I talk about the project Bayview Lawns, viewers are going to get the opportunity to click on this top right eye here. You can see I'm hovering over it, and they can watch that video. They can click there and then watch us make that Bayview Lawns project that's mentioned. So that's done. Once you've done that, you can go ahead. It says when you're finished, click return to YouTube Studio. So we're going to return to YouTube Studio. And now we're going to go to our next screen. And now is our visibility. So we can either post this public, we can post this now. We can do unlisted. So if you can share this link with anyone and they can find your video that way, but they won't be able to just search for it. They have to have your video link. Or private. So only you and the people you choose can see this video. So for us, we're going to go ahead and set this video as public. All right, so your video has now published. You have some options here to go ahead and share it right away, or you can just press close, and your video is now being uploaded to your YouTube. It may take a little bit for it to render and whatnot, but that's it. So thank you for watching this ColDesi Daily video today on how to upload a video on YouTube. I hope this helps you in your business, and I look forward to talking to you guys again next time.